What's going on, everybody? Thank you for stopping by the channel. As always, today is the day. It's D-Day. The new action clutch will be arriving today. So we're going to shoot over to Market Auto Parts as always. They're gonna resurface the action flywheel that I have right now because it does have some hot spots. And then later on today, we will pick that up and go ahead and install that new. Woo! Wait till y'all see what I got. Woo! Alright, so as you guys can see, we're at Market Auto Parts. I'll give you guys a little look of what outside of it looks like, and then I'm going to talk to them and see if I can film inside. I've known them forever, so I kind of don't want to like push on stepping on each other or anything like that, so I'm just going to ask first. So for those of you that are in Margate, Coral Springs, Broward County area, any type of part that you need, hit them up, Market Auto Parts. They have everything. They also deliver to you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and drop this off. You guys can see what it looks like pretty well. I'll walk in here. Y'all see what it is? It's action clutch time. New clutch came in. Let's open up the box. All right, shout out to Action. Some nice stickers, as always. This gangster ass 6-puck, stage 3 Kevlar. Look at that, look at that. Just, oh, what you know about that? Flywheel side for all of you really smart people. Nice new lanyard. Looks like they switched it up to gold. That's nice. That's what's up, that's what's up. Oh, here's the money maker. Here's the money maker. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice heavy duty. Stage 3. High clamping force. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Big shout out to Action as always. Thank you. If you guys need anything at all, go shout out to either Eric or Matt, whoever you can get in contact with over there. They make a great product. The customer service is phenomenal. They get things out to you as fast as possible. Even with all this virus stuff going on, I still got the clutch within like 3 days of placing the order. So to me, that's really good timing. I cannot complain whatsoever. All right, as you guys can see, I got the Action flywheel resurfaced. Shout out to Market Auto. I also went ahead and put some blue Loctite on the flywheel bolts, torque those down nice and tight. Now, yeah, and yes, I installed the new pilot bearing before I installed the flywheel. So now it's to go ahead and get the clutch lined up and put the clutch on. And just a quick FYI, maybe a little help while putting in a clutch. Anybody over at Action Clutch will tell you clutch alignment is key. You want to make sure the alignment is perfect. So what you should do, if you guys look, you can see here, I don't have the clutch disc in, but what I did is I clocked the pressure plate to where the dowel pins line up. So that way I can now go ahead and grab my clutch disc, slip my clutch disc in there with the alignment tool, put the pressure plate on, and not fight about which way this needs to be. You already know, you're just gonna take it off like this, rest it straight down, put the disc in, bam, put that on and put your bolts in. That way you don't have to really fight with it, you know, just a little tip. And then obviously you guys do not have to do this, but I take a paper towel, some brake clean, and make sure and clean all the threads off of all the bolts, clean the heads off. That way you know you don't have any type of contaminants in there when you go to torque these down to spec. You know there's nothing at all that's gonna stop it from being the actual torque spec. So yeah. Just a quick tip for you guys. And just like that, pressure plate is bolted on, clutch is lined up nice, pulled the stick out in and out a few times, made sure it was good. So now I'm gonna go drop this off so this can get welded and fixed and put back together. And we'll go ahead and jump right back to this. So now that I have the downpipe in the trunk, we're gonna go ahead and head over to Certified Muffler So this is it. Obviously this is the front side of the building. If you guys come here, you'd be coming around the back side of the building. Yep, this is it. You guys can see he's got jigs and everything that you can think of. Cut out pipe. So if you guys need anything in the Tri-County area, Margate, Cold Springs, doesn't matter where you're at, make sure and swing by here. Certified muffler, he can do it all for you. All of it, all of it, all of it. Doesn't matter what kind of car you have, he'll take care of it. So we're gonna go ahead and head back to the house, finish putting the car back together. Gonna leave him with the downpipe, let him finish it up. He's got a lot of welding to do on it. Alright, so just another quick FYI tip. When you guys put in a throwout bearing, make sure you grease it good. If not, it's gonna make some noise. You wanna prevent it from making any type of noise. So yes, make sure I put some good grease on that. Alright, so now that I have some help here, I wasn't trying to He-Man it in by myself like I did taking it out. So I got some help. Jack is now under the motor. There's no longer a jack stand there. I'm gonna lower it down just a little bit so we can slide the transmission inside of it. And yeah, see you guys in a second.
Fucking ass.
Can you hold it?
Yeah. Hold on, let me move my fingers from this shit. Let me know when you're ready. Alright. Alright, we're in there.
Let's stay right there for a second. Should be able to catch a bolt up top.
Can you push up on it all? Hold on, hold on. You making love to it, cuz?
No, man, my arms hurt.
Let it go.
So as you guys can see, tranny's back in, clutch is back in, shift cables are on, suspension's all bolted back up. So that's going to wrap up this video. Guys, make sure and stick around for the next video for some more mods on the 9th gen. Yes, the mod list continues, and this video will pick up from there. See you guys around.